Alright, this is part 3 of the lab assignment. I recorded myself instead of a pure walking because I just wanted to know more about my form and my stripes as I'm running. And as you can see, that's just a basic walking before getting to the running phase of it. And at the very beginning, you can notice that my leg weren't swinging that high. Here, let's go back to it. So just picking it back up little by little. So as I increase the speed, my stride tend to get bigger and wider. But I could also notice from here, let's slow it down a little bit. The I can also notice from the stripes. I can see from this stand phase the weight acceptance. My left knee has a tendency of not really taking much of the weight because I do have a left knee problem. I have a left knee that is a little injured, and my friend did actually point it out when he was recording this video, saying that my leg is not straight the way it's supposed to be. But yeah, that is abnormal. I don't know if you can replay here one more time. The right, the left has a tendency of always going out again. The right he's just going straight, and the left is just a little abnormal. And yes, that is according to me. Somebody else might say something else different. But yes, the initial contact phase is pretty here. That is about the initial contact. The knee the left knee seems to be flexed, and having the right knee extended, and I don't know, I think that is a pretty good form, having the knee at a 90 degree as the other foot is getting contact with the floor. And let's see if it is the same for this. Yes, it is pretty much about the same for both sides, but you can notice a small bend in the left knee as it is hitting the ground. So like I said, I have any problem, so I don't like putting too much weight on it. So that is another abnormal that I found in that phase. Other than that, everything else should be every other phase should be pretty much well done. And you can see from the swing phase here, as that leg is swinging forward, we can see the limb advancement that is happening here. They're both of the floor, but as you can notice from that swing phase, right before the pre-swing, you can notice how both legs have a tendency of coordinating at the right time. And I can even, like I mentioned earlier, you can even notice the 90 degree at the other knee when the other knee is extended, which I think is pretty normal. You're not really taking a large strides, but you're taking about the right amount. And the duration per stride without slowing it down should be 1 second. And yeah, the initial contact and the mid swing seems all to be normal in this case. And yes, I found the Gait very interesting. And yes, that's the whole video. Thank you.